Mama Africa, Mama Africa.
Hey everyone, it's your boy KP here. So bringing you some information in light of us dealing with COVID-19. But this information is actually coming from out of Africa, specifically Madagascar. I'm gonna post an interview with Madagascar's president, President Andry Rajoelina, right? Andry Rajoelina, that's his name. He did an interview with a French television station, right? And it's a powerful interview. Very intelligent president in Rajoelina, and he was able to handle himself real well. So the long and short of it is that his country came up with COVID-Organics, or they are spearheading the use of COVID-Organics, I should say, in terms of fighting COVID-19, the coronavirus. But he's been pressured by Western countries, the pharmaceutical companies, and also the WHO, because they are saying that there are no clinical trials or clinical tests in terms of showing that this thing actually works, right? But President Rajoelina is basically making a case that thousands of his people are they're being cured, right? Preventative as well as curative, basically. And yeah, they're pressuring him hard to get the regular drugs in there. You know, all those drugs, those powerful drugs that basically, you know, has some terrible side effects and all these different things, right? In terms of the product that's being used in COVID-Organics, it's called Artemisia. It's plant-based, basically, no side effects, or Artemisia annua. But you know, yeah, the interviewers were pressuring the president with the questions, and he was, you know, he stood his ground, and he was basically saying, listen, if a European country came up with this, would you guys be saying these things, or would other individuals be saying these things? And this is not just something that they cooked up in a lab. You know, this is coming out of some, you know, the use of COVID-Organics and the Artemisia plant is something that other scientists, I'll deal with it in another posting, have been developing for a long time, credible sources. The person who developed the protocols, Dr. Jérôme Munyangi, or Munyangi, I think I'm saying his name correctly, but anyways, I'll put it in the description box, and I'll do something on him. He is the one who is really developing the protocols, as I said, for COVID-Organics, and they brought him from France because he's actually from Congo. He had to flee Congo because he had come up with solution for malaria, and his country didn't like it at the time. I don't know if they were pressured by the pharmaceutical companies. He was poisoned, he was imprisoned, so he had to run away. Madagascar brought him back. That's Dr. Jérôme Munyangi, right? Yeah, so, you know, in terms of yeah, the World Health Organization, right, and all these different entities are basically speaking out against it. Western media isn't saying anything about it over here. You know, it's just a lot of skepticism around it. So, you know, they would rather use the conventional synthetic drugs in terms of fighting COVID-19, but they have something over there, and the other African countries are also using it, right? But of course, nobody's taking it serious. But I'm putting it out there. You know, watch the material, watch the interview, check the description box for any related topics. And, you know, that's what it is. So this is your boy KP here, just bringing your attention to COVID-Organics, right? And stay woke, stay red. Shout outs to Africa.
Mama